Alright guys, I am so excited to show you guys how to get rid of that nasty sour smell in your clothes. You know that smell that just lingers all day and you know that everybody can smell it and it just stinks? I normally have problems with my husband's work clothes and my daughter's gym clothes. It's just, I think it's that sweat that builds up in their clothes and just doesn't want to go away. If you guys want to learn how to get rid of that nasty sour smell, keep on watching. Your main ingredient is vinegar. With this washer, there's a spot for your fabric softener, bleach, detergent, and pre-wash. I dump around 2 to 3 cups of vinegar into the pre-wash. Take one of these boosters and add a cup into your wash. My favorite is the pink bottle, and I don't like the Gain because it doesn't add a nice flowery smell to your clothes. Depending how much clothes you're washing, add 1 to 2 pods into the washer, then put in your clothes. Start your wash. For my clothes, I normally wash it on permanent press or delicate. To make your clothes last longer, I normally wash my clothes on cold. However, with sour, smelly clothes, you want to wash it on warm, cold, warm, hot, cold to kill the bacteria. It's probably best to wash it on warm or the hot cold. Repeat if necessary. Once your washer's belt goes off, put 1 to 2 dryer sheets into the dryer. Immediately remove your clothes from the washer and put it into the dryer. You don't want to leave your clothes in the washer for a few hours or overnight because it starts developing that sour smell. If you end up forgetting to dry your clothes, then wash your clothes again. You can tell if it's been in the washer too long by smelling your clothes. Start your dryer as normal. With my Samsung front load washer, after doing a load, I leave the washer's door open so the water can evaporate. If I close the door after doing a load, the water residue can possibly turn into mold. Every time we close the washer's door, a few days later, we open the washer, then we get a whiff of stinky sourness. To be honest, we're waiting for this washer to break so we can get a top load washer. Alright, that is it. See you next time.